If you're having trouble with your PS4, then here's how to change the Xbox setting on your PS4 for Steam games.
Okay, also here's how to link your Xbox to your gaming account. So from your there are actually three methods. So from game bar you can just press on the Windows then logo the G to open game bar. So from here you can see it right here and you have the Xbox social which you can see and have another controller bar. So you can see right here the Xbox one. And from the Xbox app, you can also select profile and settings in the top corner, and if you're already signed in, your gamer pick will appear. Choose the settings and then account. And from Steam, you can also open your Steam and start a game that supports Xbox account linking. For example, use Gears 5 and sign in to your Xbox network when prompted. Select the account link option in the game menu when the Steam account linking overlay appears, then select yes, then continue. So from the app for your mobile devices, you just need to launch the Xbox Mobile on your device and select on the account gamer picture to display your profile and select link social accounts. And that's all.